Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing this 5x5 closure wig by me. It's a super beginner friendly, easy install, and I'm also going to show you how I get these beautiful curls. This is a behind the scenes footage of my TikTok, and it is just an extended detailed version, but make sure you follow me on TikTok at Forever Essence and my wig page on Instagram at Wigs by S. Keep watching to get all these teas of this slay, and just stay tuned. So for whatever reason, my good sis wanted to be in quarantine with the install, so we're going to install this 5x5 closure wig on her child. I did make the wig on the sewing machine, and you can wear it glueless, but she done glued the cap down, so she really want this install, so we're going to give it to her. So she's actually going to cut it back closer to her hairline while I tint her lace, but I did go ahead and sew around where the 5x5 closure will lay, and now we're just going to tint her lace and tint the cap. So I'm using 360 Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me for hers. This is a little darker than the one I used. I used a 330, but we're just going to put it all around the lace, especially that hairline and where her parts will be. But it's a huge difference from when it was just the bleach knots. I did already bleach and customize this lace. So we tinted her lace and she cut her cap back. We also tinted the cap with the same powder. So now we're going to get into the install. So we threw the wig on. We're going to go ahead and cut the lace. We're going to use a razor to cut the lace today. That just gives it a nice jagged edge. You don't want a straight across cut because it just doesn't leave a natural finish. I feel like the raggedy edge that this razor gives is a real nice natural finish. And yeah, right now you're going to see me do a little TikTok, but I am going to completely cut this, and this is completely glueless right now. So again, you could wear it just like this, and I have an elastic band in all of my wigs, so you can wear it on the go. Trust me, I do it all the time. And I mean, I ain't saying you can do that with everybody wig. My wigs just come custom fit, okay, period. That shit's non-existent. Wow. Can you see that?
Willie.
You heard me when I said this was completely glueless right now, right? I just customized it. I bleached the knots, I tinted it, and this is just completely on no glue, okay? You could wear it just like this and be slayed. But let's go ahead and install. So we're going to use the Bold Hold Skin Protectant and the Bold Hold Active Glue. We already cleaned her hairline with alcohol just to make sure the oils and the dirt is gone, and this skin protectant is going to be a more protective for the glue. So we're going to go ahead and put that glue on. I think I do 3 layers, 3 thin layers. I mean, nothing new. Y'all see my page. I use this rat tail comb to smooth them out. You don't want any lumps of glue anywhere. Just flatten it all out. This glue dries hella quick, so just keep working. As soon as you see it dry, add you another layer. I add 3. And we're going to tack it right down, as easy as that. Ryan Little. Don't panic if you see glue on the lace. I just kind of rub it out. It's going to dry clear anyway, but we're going to go section by section. I just pull it all the way down to that glue and tack it down with my finger in this comb. It's literally just going to melt right in the skin. All we have to do now is clean up the hairline from the excess glue that's outside of the lace. Just clean it off the forehead with alcohol. 91% is way quicker to use, and just make sure her hair is clear from all of the glue. My sis was tired, but we about to wake that ass up, period, because this install is slayed. We about to get your curls refreshing, honey. It's about to be laid. So let's move on to the styling of this wig, because it just, ooh, baby. Okay, Rapunzel, so this is 4 bundles of Kendra's Boutique. The longest length is 26 inches. We're going to make sure each curling piece is not too thick but not too thin. And I just put my curling wand on top and I wrap it around. I don't go under. Well, for these curls, I'm not going to go under. And I'm starting at the very beginning of the track because I want it to be voluptuous throughout the entire wig and not just on the ends. I want it to have full body, honey. So we're going to do this throughout the entire wig, starting at the beginning of the weft and coming all the way down. We're curling the entire track and it just comes together so beautiful. I don't know where I got this curling wand because a friend let me have it, but I do know it's a very thick curling wand, and if you can see, it's one consistent size. It's not the wand that gets smaller at the tip. It's one big old barrel and I just love it. I'll try to link it below if I can find it. But I'm going to keep each piece the same size and I'm going to wrap it around flat. I'm not doing the little spiral wand curl. I just lay it flat like a regular curl. Turn around.
Hey, you working, baby.
You look so pretty.
What scalp? What lace?
Wigs my ass, period.
Try her.
We good.
Alec, cut, Zam. I'm like, who is your man's? Abracadabra with these hands. Hit yo with the Shazam.